Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree, where we demystify math problems for you step by step. So, this video is about AP Precalculus, and we have a AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of polynomial functions and end behavior. Let's solve it together. Consider the function y of x equals, 5x squared minus 4x plus 1. Which choice is best describes the end behavior of y? Let's recall that the end behavior of a polynomial function is influenced primarily by the term with the highest degree, which in this case is 5x squared. Now let's understand how the leading term, which is 5x squared, dictates the behavior as x approaches positive infinity and negative infinity. To do that, I would like to analyze 5x squared into two pieces. I'm just going to separate it. I want to analyze x squared first. When you put a positive value for x, this turns into positive. When I put a 4x squared again, when I put a negative for the x, since the exponent is an even number, this still turns into positive. And 5x squared is 5 times positive in the first case is positive. And the second case, 5 times still positive is positive. So it's no matter what, as x approaches the positive infinity, the function y approaches the positive infinity. As x approaches the negative infinity, still the function approaches the positive infinity. So, therefore, our correct answer will be choice A for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you. Bye-bye.